Here we have two circles which touch internally. If you take the bigger circle, its center is at the point A and its radius is 5 centimeter. Now when you come to the smaller circle, its center is at the point B and its radius is 3 centimeter. Then tell me what will be AB, or in other words, what will be the distance between the two centers? It will be the difference of their radii, which will be what? 2 centimeters. In case you are wondering what happens when they touch externally, then the distance between the two centers will be equal to the sum of their radii. It will be 8 centimeters if they touch externally. But here they are touching internally, which means their distance is equal to the difference of their radii. Then what do we have? We have a PQ. PQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB. That is, suppose PQ meets AB at a point, say Y. What does that mean? This cuts AB into two equal parts, or in other words, AY will be what? It will be half of AB, or in other words, it will just be 1 centimeter. Not only that, it is a perpendicular bisector, which means it is perpendicular to the line AB, or in other words, if you join PA, then if you consider the triangle PAY, it will be a right angle triangle with the hypotenuse PA. Then if you apply the Pythagoras theorem, what is AY square? It is 1 centimeter. What is PA? PA is the radius of the bigger circle, which is what? It is 5 centimeter, right? It's square, you will have 25 centimeters. Then what is PY? It will be square root of 25 minus 1, which is square root of 24, which is equal to 2 root 6. Now I have just got rid of the smaller circle. It is there. We just don't need it anymore. So I have just moved it out of the picture. Now what do you have? You have a very beautiful chord PQ. PQ is now a chord. It is just a chord of the bigger circle. And what is AY? AY is the perpendicular line which connects the center and the chord. What do we know about such lines? If you have a perpendicular line from the center, it is not only perpendicular, it will also bisect that chord. Or in other words, what do we know? PQ is 2 times PY. PQ is 4 root 6. That is the answer that we were looking for. So till I meet you again, Assalamu alaikum.